Ready?
I'm always ready. I'm ready to ride, but no to was-was.
No was-was. Dito tayo sa Palawan doing the Legends Ride.
Tingin ko pinaka-main attraction ng Palawan for motorcycle riders is boot chase.
Yan na boys, dito tayo sa Palawan doing the Legends Ride.
In a few moments, we will be having our riders briefing for our route.
Ayan o.
Please stand by for everyone.
Ayan o. Ayan o. Ano ba gamit mo, sir? Ano? X?
As in via MCX.
Reminder po, please do check in sa ating registration booth here sa may
Tama natin lahat.
line.
Marami sila o. Sir boy. Ayan o. Ayan o, mga idol no, manggis.
Yes,
Ayan o. Ayan o, mga manggis here. So marami sila dito guys. We are going to ride the Legends Ride. Morning po. So, marami na mga motor dito. Dami sila. So hanggang dulo yan. So it's going to be around 300 or 400 riders today. So let's ride with mga malupit. Morning sir. Morning po.
Morning, kumusta?
Okay lang po. So we are going to ride with all the malupit. Ready?
I'm always ready. I'm ready to ride, but no to was-was.
No was-was. Getting ready. We are going to ride to some places here in Palawan. Almost 300 riders. Here is Senator JV, Sir Butch, Sir Joey, lahat sila dito. Ayan na, nakita nyo. Bikes big, yeah.
Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to ride.
Ready na tayo guys. So, let's roll. Go boys. DJ is there. Bundakan. Here is Sir Joey using the Pikes Peak, and Senator JV, Sir Butch, Jet Li, mga iba-ibang mga malupit. Dito si TJ, first time sa Palawan riding, and there is Troy also there. And Legends Ride is one of the best ride you can join, and you can explore most of the places here in Palawan. When you join the Legends Ride, you can stay maybe little bit longer, and you can see one of the very beautiful island here in the Philippines. Solid yung kalsada dito, and very disciplined, and grabe, one of the best place I always love to ride. So here is you know, Sir Joey is here, and Senator JB. Senator JB is here. Jet Li is here. Senator JB and DJ Jovi. Ayan, marami na malupit yan sa likod. Malupit na Manggis, Street Manggis, Palawan Street Manggis here. Marami pa sa likod yan, almost 300 plus. Yun o, kanina pa kayo ilang beses na. Si BJ, maraming beses ka na naman.
Good morning.
Ito, Indian breakfast yan bro. Ha?
Hanggang dinner na yan.
Kasama na yung
Almutang.
Marami na members na ngayon. Ilan na members tayo ngayon sa Manggis?
42 and growing.
Growing.
Next year kasama ka na.
Siyempre. 43 ako. February, balik ako dito.
Okay.
Right tayo.
Okay.
We are just to stop the place as you seen before in my video. Ayun o, mga malupit o. Wala na.
Ito Baguio.
Hindi, walang kwenta yan.
Walang kwenta.
Siyempre, kasama natin dito sa All About Bills. Siyempre, sa Palawan. Ilang beses ka na Palawan? 7 na?
Yes.
Oh, malupit. Oh, kamusta ng ride mo ngayon?
Okay lang. Bagel na motor ko.
So we just stop, have some small you know, breakfast. Not breakfast, all the malupit is here. Kamusta ng ride natin ngayon?
Wow, isa sa pinakamagandang ride dito sa Palawan. Ganda ng roads, alam naman natin pag Palawan, nature yan, La Last Frontier nga. Pero yung kalye niya, doon ako nagulat na. Dito, ang ganda ng twisties, ang ganda ng kalye. Pero mountain covered all over, puno-puno ng puno. Tapos, doon naman sa road, 4 lanes, 6 lanes. Kaya,
Enjoy
ano
na.
to, talagang po riding destination.
Riding destination talaga sa Palawan. Sana, Sir Butch, sabi niya yesterday, sana ayusin natin ang yung RoRo system natin para marami sila ng punta dito, di ba? Ilan years kayo ng habol sa itong RoRo system yan?
Nung nagawa, nung inaugurate ni dating Secretary Tugate 2019, yung pier, nagawa yun nung panahon ni President Noynoy, inumpisahan yun. Natapos yun nung panahon ni dating Presidente Duterte. So, pinangako nila in that time na i-open na. Gawa na yung pier eh.
Oh, napunta ko doon
So,
sa
up to
San
now,
Fernando.
Wala pa yung pier.
Yes.
Yung mga structures. Kaya sabi ko nga, sana yung local government dito sumuporta rin. Yung kuryente. Meron ng kuryente.
Meron yung kuryente.
Tubig.
Yes.
Tapos isang palitaw portion na lang, mga 500 meters na lang yung road eh. Kasi pag nabuksan yung port sa San Fernando El Nido, mag-i-connecting yun sa Mindoro, Bulalakaw, Coron, tapos Coron, San Fernando El Nido, port. So, lahat, maraming gusto magpunta, maraming tumatawag sa akin. Sabi nga sa akin, puro naman bukas-bukas, ilang taon na yung bukas na yun, wala nangyayari.
Pero Sir Butch, last time when we had our anniversary in the fast card, they promised to us that they are going to do fast card from Mindoro to Coron.
Tapos San Fernando.
Yeah, probably this year daw. So,
Sa maayos yung port.
yes.
So kaya nga, ang laking bagay na umatin si Senator sa itong event na to, itong Legends Ride. Is naidiga namin, ano yung kailangan namin sa Palawan, yung RoRo na yun. It will boost the economy, pati mga nagtitinda ng mga banana sa mga dadaanan ba.
Underground economy.
Yes. So, this is one of the best riding destination talaga, Sen.
Definitely.
One of the best. You enjoy?
I've been riding for so many years experience. First time ko dito nakaride sa Palawan. One of the best, if not the best, no? Siyempre, favorite ko yung mga Cordillera, Sagada to Ifugao, napakaganda rin doon. Dito, napakaganda. Mindanao, napakaganda rin na Mindanao. Maraming magagandang mga hidden treasures, mga waterfalls, dagat, lahat nandun. Pero ito Palawan, talagang dito complete package. Maganda bundok, dito na lang makapal ang mga puno, no?
Magandang beach,
diba?
magandang beach, magandang kalsada.
So complete package talaga dito.
Yan, sana our RoRo system will be okay. So everybody can come and join. Also next year join din kayo, 'di ba, Sen? Maganda yung Legends Ride natin, 'di ba?
Maganda. We'll continue to promote tourism. Yun lang, see not only the beautiful places, riding safe also, safety gears, everything. And don't forget your tire block. Sunblock na. Tire block na. Huwag kang gumamit ng tire block. Pinahit tire block eh. Kaya sunblock only.
Sunblock only. Kamlon, wala si Kamlon dito, Sen ah.
Kamlon, your twin brother, Apple the Up. Here.
Sen,
Marami na mga idols natin dito, enjoying. Mga lady riders natin from Palawan. Hi po. Hello. Mga lodi Hi. Buddha. Mga Buddha boys here. Yes. Yes, sir. Doc. Good morning. Thank you for always making this happen in your place. From last year, you inviting all the people to come to your beautiful resort and having fun here.
You're always welcome, Nats, and of course the Legends Ride, Tamilok Legends Ride. Always.
Yeah. So we will make more ganyan. We will, you can find more villas in the future.
Have you entered the villa, Nads?
Yeah, I will enter. So, when we will have a puno-puno tayo ng mga villas dito para marami na rider din pupunta dito. Kailan nang expect natin? 2025?
On the pipeline is another 2 villas only.
Okay.
Maximum of 4 villa. 4 cabins and 1 villa.
Okay.
That's all, Nads.
Okay.
And also a bistro there.
Okay.
We have a bistro there.
Okay.
So, will not make more than 4.
More than 4. Pero yung 4, enough na yan.
Yes.
Yan.
Yes. For family.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yan. Doc is here. Thank you, Doc.
Okay. Thank you, Nads.
Dito, yun o. Marami na sila dito, oh. Oh, dito mga idol, oh. Mga Lodi. Oh, morning. Morning. Oh. Ano, brother? Morning. Ano, brother? Mukhang pagod ka, bro, ah. Pagod ka? Ikaw, hindi ka na ride? Ride ka? Una ka dito, no? Una ka dito?
Parking boys.
Oh. Ano, Ryan? Long time no si Ryan, ah. Morning. Morning, Kambal.
Morning, sir.
Sir, morning po. Morning po. Morning, sir, sticker. Meron. Dito. Maganda yung lugar dito, guys. Check nyo. Solid yung lugar. Ano? Next to the beach. Ano? Bagal. Anong nangyari kay Renzo doon sa rough road?
Hindi. Wala. Kaya ni Renzo.
Kamusta nang experience sa Indian off-road riding?
Sarap. Pusa, pero sideways. Sarap. Ikaw, ano experience mo sa Japan?
Maganda. Oh, Troy. This is your first ride after the
First ride after the accident.
After the accident? Oh, kamusta nang experience mo sa Palawan?
Ganda dito sa Palawan, ganda ng beach. Very chill ride lang.
Chill ride lang. Maganda rin kalsada, no?
Maganda din, especially the off-road.
Yes, especially off-road. Yan, Sir Joy. Anong plano mo? What bike are you using now, sir?
Ducati Bikes Big.
Oh, anong plano mo? Invoice natin ngayon or mamaya pa?
Hard sell to.
This is called pushing the limit.
Nudge. Yan ang makikita mo sa camera mo.
Pero, kamusta nang experience mo?
Maganda talaga.
Solid ba?
Solid bike. Solid bike.
Idols natin, oh. Dito na tayo sa Tala Beach again. As usual, our second stop in the Legends ride. So we will park somewhere. Marami sila. Yan na boys, kasama natin si Boss here. Boss Joseph, kamusta ng experience mo sa El Nido? I want to hear from you.
The best experience because I'm riding the X.
Hindi yung X?
X means unknown.
Pero experience mo El Nido sa Palawan?
Wonderful. It's a place less traveled. You see the good people, we got the nice food, got a nice view, and the food are excellent. And I don't want to say cheap, but it's
one of the
budget.
Yeah, best place to ride, no?
Yes, best place to ride. But here, sorry, Nakamotes, please don't go here. Stay in Marilaki.
Yeah, Marilaki.
Yeah.
There will be a perfect place for them here.
Yeah, that's for you. If you want, I'll arrange an off-road for you guys.
Oo, meron ng off-road dito. Oh. Sila yung mga off-road boys.
Chero Motorcycles.
Yes, ano ba, asan yung located kayo?
We are located in El Nido.
El Nido. So, meron kayo na
are welcome anytime of the
may
year.
adventure tour kayo, di ba?
Yeah, we're doing the adventure tours, guided tours
Okay.
for dirt bikes.
So,
People who,
they can just fly in and you will provide the motorcycle and everything?
Yes, it is. Yeah, but it's better that they will notify us one day before
Okay.
if they want to book a ride.
So, what is your Facebook page or Instagram?
Our Facebook page is Lakwa Motorcycles.
Okay.
On Facebook, it's Lakwa Chero Motorcycles. On Instagram, it's Lakwa Motorcycles. And our website is lakwa.ph.
Lakwa.ph. So, they can message you
Yeah.
and schedule for their tour.
Yes,
And
exactly.
by package, you can discuss with
Yeah.
them. Right?
Yeah.
Yan. Lakwa Motorcycle here. And here is mga master, oh.
And my partner, Dale.
Yes, so they are the one is guide you here when you come to El Nido and they get their tour and they will bring you to the big good mountains and trails. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we
Yes.
want to see Palawan. This is Palawan.
Oh, this is Palawan. Wow. Healthy Palawan.
I'm full already.
Want to have some? There.
Ayan, oh. Yan ang sticker nila. So, dito mga idols natin. Oh. Kamusta ng Palawan experience mo?
Very good. Very good. We'll be back.
Yes. Ano, Sarte, hindi na kailangan ng tanong, lagi siya dito eh.
Okay, pero malimit kami rito kaya we will bring some foreigners here, yung our Korean friends.
Yes.
We'll bring them this coming February.
Yes.
In Palawan.
Yes, February we will be coming with some foreign friends.
Para
With nuts also.
para maiba naman sila.
Yes. Kamusta ng experience?
The best ride. One of the best talaga ito. Walang bola kasi ang ganda talaga ng Palawan. Nagulat ako sa roads.
Yes, yes. Yes. Ito yung pagkain, no? Ito nyo? Yeah, healthy Palawan food, oh.
Para na ako Indian eh. Lagi na ako vegetable eh. Gusto ko na curry yan, vegetable.
Uy, vegetable ka muna.
Oh.
Veg ka muna.
Kumakain ako ng vegetable.
Ano? Usog na? Wala pa? Solve na?
Yung aming master.
Master.
Si Master Mike.
Anong grupo mo, brother?
Lahat, ang grupo ko ngayon ay Talaba.
Talaba?
Talaba is Pinabatang Tamilog.
Batang Tamilog yung Talaba.
Yan ay binuo ni Mr. Geoffrey Ben.
Oh, yun o. Echeng.
Gusto lang namin dumami yung motorcycle association or group club dito sa...
Ilan members kayo sa Talaba?
Members namin ngayon is
15. Oh, join kayo sa Talaba. Oh, di ba? Unlimited ba Talaba? Unlimited. Enjoy si Troy and TJ. Kamusta nang experience nyo sa Palawan?
What do you think?
I think you enjoying.
I think sobrang ganda, di ba?
Sobrang ganda. Oh.
Parang okay lang. Look the view.
Look the view lang. Look the view. Oh, di ba?
You know, normally I ride in the city, no? So,
yeah.
Aircon. Yeah. Dito walang aircon.
Oh, pero enjoy ka.
Tapos ano pa, sa buhangin ka. Sobrang lungkot eh. Super the best.
Best experience. Troy, kamusta na? First ride mo after the accident.
Yeah, first ride after the accident. So finally I get to ride again.
Yeah.
And, the best way to start kasi ganda dito.
Maganda dito.
Not just here but also the last stop that we
your first ride.
First ride.
Yeah. So here is another master here. He is the Bundok Boy. Yeah. So they are the one is doing this Lakwachero motorcycles. So he is one part of them. And they will guide you for the adventures.
Yeah, we're based in El Nido, Palawan. So if you guys ever want to ride, hit the trails with us. Hit us up. Let's go. What's up, Idol?
Yes. Sir, yan, kaya na kayo. Puno-puno na yan. Sir, puno-puno na yung motor dito. Ulan-ulan pa. Ulan-ulan, sana walang ulan para ma-enjoy tayo dito. So, yun o. Ulan na, start ng ulan.
Nagpapasalamat ako, malaking pasalamat ko sa mga local riders ng Palawan na yung support ang binigay ninyo, kung hindi kayo sumuporta, hindi matatapos na maganda ito. I hope next year, lalaki pa lalo ito. Pinapasalamatan ko rin yung Tamilok. At least, pare, talong gumaganda yung samahan namin. Nagiging solido kami. Dapat tayong lahat sama-sama solido. Salamat.
Maraming salamat, Tamilok Motorcycle Group President, the leading legend, Mr. Butch Chase. Ayan po, ladies and gentlemen, tawagin po natin dito. Alam ko may biyahe pa siya going back to Manila. Our Senator, J.B. Ejercito.
Sa Tamilok Motorcycle Club ng Palawan for this very memorable and very well-organized Legends Ride. So, congratulations, no, sa Tamilok Motorcycle Club, of course, led by none other than our legend Butch Chase. Si Butch, yung makwentuhan namin, itong 2 araw, ang dami namin na pag-usapan. Ang dami niyang gustong gawin para po sa Palawan. No, lalo-lalo yung port, healthcare, iba pa. Masasabi ko lang, kahit mukhang Amerikano yan, mas may puso niyan, mas Pilipino pa sa iba. Palapakan po natin si Butch Chase. First time ko mag-ride sa Palawan. No, alam naman natin, napakaganda ng Palawan, pero nagulat ako sa ganda ng kalye rito. Talagang, I think, in my experience as a rider for so many years, siguro, one of my best, if not the best rides dito sa Palawan, sa Puerto Princesa. And with that, siguro sabi ko nga sa mga kasama natin sa boss, Meron sila mga kaibigan, mga ibang clubs, no, from Korea. Dadalhin daw nila dito, matutulungan ang ekonomiya natin. We can start with that. Yun naman ang aim natin eh. Una, yung domestic tourism, mapadala dito, maayos natin yung puerto, magkaroon ng ro-ro. Pero later on, I think, sa buong Pilipinas, dito pinaka-safe dalhin yung mga foreign riders na mag-iiwan ng dolyares o euros dito.
We riders share a deep passion for love of motorcycles. Kung minsan nga ho, mas madalas pa nating himasin yung motor natin kaysa sa misis natin. Pero kidding aside, sila po ang tumulong sa logistic and making sure na mag-e-enjoy po lahat sa event na ito. Likewise, special thanks kanina. CTMO for traffic enforcer. Hinatid tayo sa hanggang Irawan, tapos from Banga, papunta rito, in-escortan din tayo. Robinsons Mall for the venue, display and booths. Holiday Suite, care of Anna, my daughter. Siya ho sa function and food. Saka siya din coordinator. Salamat, TV. Architect in charge sa registration and finances.
Sabay-sabay isang bagsak. For Tamilok Riders, 1, 2, 3, go! Dapat sabay-sabay to show unity. 1, 2, 3, go! For boot chase, gawin natin 3 bagsak. Pwede ba yon? Ready na kayo? 1, 2, 3, go! Tingin ko ang pinaka-discovery ng Palawan, hindi lang yung beautiful nature, mountain, beach, and roads eh. Tingin ko pinaka-main attraction ng Palawan for motorcycle riders is boot chase. Happy birthday, Butch! When you discover Palawan, you discover also the people, the culture, and the food.
Congratulations, Youngest Rider Award, Sanan Aaron Arzaga, Rider number 49. Rider number 192, James Vanskoy, born March 10, 1943. Kayo na lang pong mag-compute. John, sir, para mas maganda yung picture natin. Motorcycle Group. Palawan Motorcycle Group.
Of course, also the bus president is also here. Thank you so much for everything. Super enjoyed today, right with everyone. So this is the first and definitely not going to be the last. So thank you.
Roleta. Woo! 272. Talagang binantayan niya. Nanalo po kayo. Alam niyo, pag sinabi ko kung sino yan, sigante ko pa yan na natalo ng matanda na ako. Number 272. Nanalo ka ng Suzuki Raider Motor.
Pero dito, lahat nag-enjoy lang, nag-ride, nagsaya, nag-picture-picture. Grabe yung disiplina dito ng mga riders.
Thank you, Tamilok. Thank you, Sir Butch, and the malupit na team. And syempre, sobrang maganda talaga Palawan. And this is my 3rd year I am with the Legends Ride. And good thing na this time our Senator JV and Jet Li and the team join. And they will bring so many riders back here in coming months or next year when we have an event. And I am with our Ducati team, and the 2 champions are here, TJ Alberto and Troy Alberto. And marami na mga new riders also joined this year.
I am very happy Tamilok made one of the best event for our motorcycle riding community here in the Philippines. Especially Sir Butch, saludo ako sa iyo lagi talaga. Grabe, ikaw talaga ng idol namin. Lahat, buong Pilipinas, walang iba, si Butch Chase lang sa Kalam. Thank you Tamilok, thank you guys for joining, and I will see you again soon.